Hello guys, today we're gonna see another mistakes of our drivers on the road, what they do usually. Our brothers who said one truck on I-76 in Kentucky turned off on the right side, I think, yeah. He was full of beers, guys. That's kind of bad news and the good news because nobody likes Miller Lite. Myself even. Usually when you get out from the interstate, from the US, you go on the interstate, usually it's like a really good turn, right? Circle, semicircle. And when they load you with the beer, guys, the beer usually is going all the way to the roof. And that is making you a little bit more unstable on the turns. Even like if you go more like 35 miles an hour and make a turn, you're gonna feel it how your trailer will gonna now wanna go that way, you know. This is always look the video. Don't make this kind of mistakes because it's gonna cost a lot of money to fix it. The driver, it's okay, and the rest will be okay. Because they're gonna need a couple of days to screw around to make the work done. But yeah, on turns, the most important, don't go fast. It's better just a little bit slower, take your time, never here, because that change a couple of minutes in your life. Take care, subscribe, and see you on the next video.